In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line on Lucidchart in just 5 minutes. Whether you're mapping out a project or organizing your thoughts visually, Lucidchart is a powerful diagramming tool that's both intuitive and versatile. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, we'll head over to Lucidchart's website, open up your favorite web browser, and navigate to lucidchart.com. Lucidchart provides a host of tools for all sorts of visual projects. Once the homepage has loaded, you'll want to locate the Login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to their login screen. Here, you'll enter your email address associated with your Lucidchart account. Once you've typed in your email, click on the Next button to proceed to the password entry. Carefully enter your password. If it's correct, you'll want to click on Login. This will bring you directly to your Lucidchart dashboard where all your existing projects are stored. Now that you're logged in, it's time to start a new document. On the dashboard, look for the Documents section and click on New. A selection of possible documents or templates will appear. Here, choose Lucidchart. This decision will open up a fresh canvas for you to begin drafting your diagram. Once there, select Blank Document from the options offered. A new empty workspace will appear in front of you. To draw a line, scroll through the various tools available on the left-hand sidebar until you spot the Line option. You'll want to find and click on Horizontal Line, which will allow you to create a straight line that runs horizontally across your canvas. Once you select it, click and hold anywhere in your workspace, then drag to adjust the length of your line as desired. But what if you need to adjust or edit your line? Simply click on the created line and you'll see a box around it. You can click and drag this box to reposition your line or pull on any of the anchors to resize it. If you need a vertical line, find and click on Vertical Line in the sidebar. Again, click and drag on your document to set the line's length. Finally, if you want to add an arrow to your line to indicate direction or flow, select the arrow tool from the toolbar. Just like with the line, click and drag to position it as needed in your diagram. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to create lines and arrows in Lucidchart to enhance your diagrams and visuals. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to explore more tools within Lucidchart for even more robust visualizations. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy diagramming.